everyone, I'm Jessica
And I'm Lisa
with the Balanced Real Estate team at Prescott, Arizona. Today's video is all about Prescott's new multi-sport complex, so let's get right into it. The recently opened Espire Sports multi-complex in the east side of Prescott's Gateway Mall includes indoor active sports and fitness opportunities ranging from 14 pickleball courts, a basketball court, volleyball, ping-pong, a golf putting green, bocce ball, cornhole, billiards, and more. Located in what was once the Sears store at 3400 Gateway Boulevard off of Highway 69, the interior of the 100,000 square foot space was gutted and remodeled to accommodate sports, fitness, and wellness venues. With a great location next to other mall retail shops, it's convenient for locals and visitors, and parking is more than adequate.
CEO founder Jim Thomas says he realized that pickleball was going to be the most popular participant sport in the country. In addition to Espire's indoor courts, there are 5 outdoor pickle courts as well. Pickleball is very popular everywhere, and in Prescott almost every day of the week, even the public outdoor courts located at Pioneer Park are full of energetic players.
There's a cafe and refreshment juice bar with juice, smoothies, organic products, and healthy snacks. The fitness center has a full range of exercise equipment, rooms for yoga, aerobics, and Pilates, and there are complete locker rooms with showers. There's also an arcade with plenty of entertainment for kids and adults if fitness isn't on the to-do list for the day.
For 2023, there's a plan to have a large boutique-style hotel with more than 110 rooms and suites and a swimming pool. 4 levels of membership are available, from founder, player, player plus fitness, to fitness only. Subcategories in each level range from individual to family to couples and day passes. No matter what the reason for your visit, you can enjoy pickleball tournaments, clinics, camps, family recreation, just to make a few friends and enjoy the terrific Prescott hospitality. This new facility wants people to take advantage of what the first 3 letters of Espire means: eat, stay, and play.
Espire is located at 3400 Gateway Boulevard, Prescott, Arizona 86303. Hours of operation are Monday through Friday, 8 a.m. to 8 p.m., Saturday, 8 a.m. to 5 p.m., and Sunday, 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. Visit their website at espiresports.com or call 928-237-5250 for more information.
Are you ready to make a move to the Prescott area? Go to buyprescottarizona.com to search for your home. Maybe you're ready to sell your Prescott area home. Go to findprescotthouses.com and click on Your Home Value at the top of the page.
If you like our videos and you want to see more, please remember to like, follow, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. We post videos 2 to 3 times a week covering fun things to do in Prescott, our local real estate market, buyer and seller tips and tricks, and much more. Thanks for tuning in, and we look forward to seeing you again soon.
Bye.
Bye.